is your favorite snack at the shop?
I like spicy Cheetos.
Hi Mir, what is your favorite snack at the shop?
My favorite snack at the shop is Red Bull.
Kaylin,
Hi.
what is your favorite snack at the shop?
Kool-Aid.
Hi Shiana, what is your favorite snack at the shop?
I like Capri Sun.
Asha,
Hello, Shanae.
what is your favorite snack at the shop?
Blue Loctite.